Hello everyone! Welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. Tahini or sesame seed paste is a staple in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cooking. This week I am going to share a few of my favorite Lebanese recipes. Let's start by making the tahini. We will need 3 cups of white sesame seed or safed till. Dry roast at medium heat for 6 to 7 minutes until it's nicely golden brown. Transfer into a bowl and allow it to cool. Next, add it to a food processor or blender jar and blend it at high for 2 minutes. Scrape the sides and close the lid. Keep blending and add 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Blend it until it's smooth and creamy. Our tahini is ready to use in hummus, falafel or as a salad dressing. Stay tuned as I'm going to use this tahini in my next recipes. Making your own tahini at home is not only easy but also cost effective. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to Akshay Foods, eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Bye-bye.